I'm Ophelia.
Nice to meet you, Ophelia.
Nice to meet you. Aviation is absolutely my passion. Being around planes energizes me. This is what I was born to do. We have about 140 flights a day.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? It's a very challenging environment, and safety being the framework of everything we do. We need to make sure that they're focused, they're engaged mentally, emotionally, physically. Really, leadership here is about connecting with the people. Hi, how are you? You do a good job. I've been watching you. Girls on the ramp rock. I feel like I'm sometimes a mom here, a mentor here, a coach here. Yeah, how's the position going?
So far, everything's good. I appreciate all the guidance that you've been giving me.
I think when people have a passion about their purpose, they perform better.
There's nowhere that she can walk in this place where she's not recognized or known.
I do something every single day to leave something behind at United that I'm proud of. That's the legacy I want to leave.